Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about predictive patching in Jetpatch. During the course of the video, there'll be pause breaks. It is highly recommended to pause and try out the feature yourself during these breaks. So what is predictive patching? Predictive patching is a mechanism that is constantly running in the background of your environment, looking for technical reasons why your patch cycle may not be successful. Let's see it in action. If we go to Patches, Predictive Patching, we'll see the default settings for the page. Here, you can see that you have the ability to perform predictive patching based on your operating systems and groups. Not filtering on anything would simply run predictive patching on your entire environment. If we switch the tab to remediation plans, you'll be able to filter on any upcoming plans you have made to make sure the plan is ready to go. Alternatively, if you head over to the remediation plans board, you can select the predictive patching icon on the plan itself and it will automatically bring you back to the predictive patching page and run the simulation. Now, what happens when you run the plan? Let's start by running the plan on our entire environment. As you can see, we are close to 100%, but not perfect. If we click on How to Improve, we will see a list of exemptions that may be preventing our patching cycle from being 100% successful. Let's say, however, I do not care about my entire environment right now, simply Group B. If I run predictive patching on Group B, I can see that I am 100% ready to start patching with Group B. As on most pages, if you would like to download this information, there is often a floppy disk icon that will allow you to do so. Just click on the icon and download the CSV report. In summary, predictive patching can be used in a variety of ways. You can use it broadly on your entire environment or narrow down on the applicable endpoints by filtering the operating system and/or endpoint group. Alternatively, if you have a remediation plan ready to go, you can run the simulation directly on the remediation plan to check all the endpoints within the plan. This is highly recommended. Well, that's all for now.